good evening everyone. So today is Monday. Welcome to our Monday exhortation. So let's talk about Zacchaeus in Luke chapter 1. I mean Luke chapter 19 verse 1 to 10. Let's begin to read. And Jesus entered and passed through Jericho. And behold, there was a man named Zacchaeus, which was the chief among the publicans, and he was rich. So ito pong si Zacchaeus, chief ng mga tax collector, publicans. Publican is a tax collector. At mayaman siya. And he sought to see Jesus, who he was, and could not for the press because he was little of stature. So maliit itong si Zacchaeus, pero gustong-gusto niyang makita at makilala si Jesus Christ. And he ran before and climbed up into a sycamore tree to see him, for he was to pass that way. So makita sa puno ng sycamore para makita niya si Jesus. And when Jesus came to the place, he looked up and saw him and said unto him, Zacchaeus, make haste and come down, for today I must abide at thy house. Nakita siya ni Jesus. So ang daming tao doon, kaya siya umakyat sa puno para makita niya si Jesus. Tapos tinawag niya si Jesus na halika rito, bumaba ka. Ngayon pupunta tayo sa iyong bahay. Verse 6, and he made haste and came down and received him joyfully. So bumaba siya mula sa puno. Tapos masayang-masaya siya na sinalubong na minute si Jesus. Verse 7, and when they saw it, they all murmured, saying that he was gone to be guest with a man that is a sinner. Yung mga taong nakakita sa kanya, they murmured, they gossip na si Jesus nakikideal sa isang sinner. He was going to be a guest. Magiging guest siya ng isang makasalanan. Kasi, di ba, yung tax collector, they are known to be sinners. Di ba, yung connotation sa tax collector, kurakot, gano'n, di ba? Basta, yung associated sa word na tax collector, gano'n. Ang notion ng tao, corrupt, and mostly naman kasi, di ba, pag tax, about yung mga nangongolekta ng tax, kahit noon pa man, mostly corrupt, not all, but mostly, or some. Hanggang ngayon naman sa time natin, di ba, there are, may mga nangungurakot pa rin sa mga tax, gano'n. So, yung, kaya, nagmurmur yung mga tao na, nakikisama siya, naging guest si Jesus ng isang tax collector, ng isang sinner. Makasalanan. Verse 8, and Zacchaeus stood and said unto the Lord, Behold, Lord, the half of my goods I have given to the poor, and I have taken anything from, and if I have taken anything from any man by false accusation, I restore him fourfold. So yun, sabi niya, tinawag niyang Lord si Jesus. It means naniniwala siya na si Jesus is Lord. Sabi niya, let's read again, chapter 8. And Zacchaeus stood and said unto the Lord, Behold, Lord, half of my goods I have given to the poor, and I have taken anything from any man by false accusation, I restore him fourfold. Nagbigay siya ng one half ng kanyang pag-aari, ng goods niya sa mga mahihirap. Tapos yung sinasabi nila na kinuha niya false accusation, ninakaw niya by false accusation, ni-restore niya ng fourfold. Ibinalik niya. We can see that di ba dito pa lang sa verse 3 and 4, may excitement siya. He wanted to see Jesus. Gustong-gusto niyang makita si Jesus. Tapos nung tinawag siya ni Jesus, sabi dito sa 6, and receive him joyfully. Joyfully meaning malalim na kaligayahan, maligaya siya na tinanggap si Jesus. Tapos dito sa verse 8, tinawag niya si Jesus na Lord. Let's read verse 9. And Jesus said unto him, This day is is salvation come to this house for as much as he also is a son of Abraham. Yun, sinabi ni Jesus na sa araw na ito, this day is salvation come to this house. Darating ang kaligtasan dito sa tahanan. For as much as he also is a son of Abraham. Tas dito sa verse 10, for the Son of Man is come to seek and to save that which was lost. Si Jesus, Son of God, pumunta dito sa lupa, dito sa earth, para iligtas tayong mga lost, tayong mga makasalanan. Kaya, diba, Zacchaeus maybe is a sinner, pero nakita ng Diyos ang puso niya na he is joyful to receive Jesus in his heart, to receive Jesus as his personal Lord and Savior, at tinanggap niya ito as guest sa kanyang tahanan. They may reviled him as a sinner. Nirevile nila si Jesus na naging guest, isang sinner na si Zacchaeus. Pero sabi dito sa 10, Luke 19 chapter 19 verse 10, for the Son of Man is come to seek and to save that which was lost. Tumating si Jesus dito, nabuhay siya, at namatay, at nabuhay muli. Jesus came to this earth in order to save us, to give us salvation na makasalanan. Yan po. Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. God bless.